How's it going, folks? In this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you guys about building your business credit, what it takes to build your business credit. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is our course. So building business credit course, and shows you exactly how to build your business. This is the course that we sell. This is the program that we sell. And as you can see, it's 7 steps. Okay. Step 1 is building your business credibility. This is going to pretty much lay the foundation of what you need to do to get your business started credibly. Step 2 goes into creating your business reports. Step 3 is actually time to build up your foundation. And this is where we are going to get into the point of showing you guys how to get your business started up properly. Step 4, as you can see, time to review your business reports and see exactly what's reporting. Step 5 is going to be framing your business and getting that business into the position it needs to be to help grow the business. Step 6, putting the roof on your business, and this is where everything kind of comes together. And then step 7 is putting the siding to bring it all together. And this is going to be actually where you come and you have your complete home, if you will, for your business. So I'm going to go ahead and click on step 1, showing you building your business credibility. So what you're going to do is you'll click on this, and once you click on this, you'll be able to, it'll enter you into the system. And as you can see, this is step 1, building your business credibility. Now we do have 10 steps in this one particular step, and what you'll do is you'll just click on each step, and each step will kind of walk you through exactly what you need to do as a business to go ahead and get your company established credibly. Okay, so as you click on these different steps, it will walk you through entering the information. So as you can see here on the right, what is your business name? You would just go ahead and type in your business name and click submit. This is going to pretty much give you a walkthrough on how to do everything. So you would just click on the video would play, give you some information, and it kind of walks you through everything. This is a walkthrough of all of the states here. Gives you information on restricted industries, high-risk industries. Once you complete this portion, you would just click on next topic and go to the next topic. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, this is definitely something that you guys can go ahead and get started with. Send us an email. I will have in the description box below, I'll have a description on where you can go to order this do-it-yourself program, and you guys can get started either as a reseller, or if you were looking at just trying to do it for yourself, you can do that as well. So whatever the case is, feel free to comment below if you have any questions. We'd love to answer any questions you guys might have. This is a do-it-yourself program, so with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking your time to watch the video. And like I said, if you have questions, feel free to comment below. They'll be in the description on where you can order in the description as well. So you guys have a great day.